if you have a Spotify Premium account, you have the ability to directly play any Spotify music files to your AxiomAir. It's very simple. Open your Spotify app, make sure that you're logged into your premium account, and start something playing. At the bottom you'll see that there's a note saying devices available. Click on that, and then click on the icon at the bottom left that looks like a computer monitor with a little speaker. Once you've clicked on that, you can see available devices. In this case, my AxiomAir is called AW1. I'll click on that. Once it says connecting and it lights up green, now the music is going to be playing over my AxiomAir system. It's that easy. You have millions of songs at your fingertips.